In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Perplexity AI API key. We'll walk through where to find your API keys inside your Perplexity account and how to permanently remove one if you no longer need it. I'll also share a few quick reminders so you don't accidentally break anything that depends on your key. Start by opening your Perplexity account in a web browser and signing in. Once you're on your main dashboard, look for your profile or account area. This is where Perplexity keeps your personal settings and billing information, and it's also where the API section lives. Click Account to open those settings. Inside the account area, find and select the section labeled API Key or API. This page lists any keys associated with your account. Keep in mind, Perplexity only issues API keys if you've purchased credits. If you haven't bought credits, you won't see an active key here, and there's nothing to delete. If you do have credits, you'll see one or more keys displayed on this page, each representing a token you can use to access the API from your apps or scripts. Before you remove a key, pause and think about anything currently using it. Deleting an API key instantly cuts off access for any app, workflow, or service that relies on it. If you plan to replace it later, make sure you're ready to update those integrations with a new key after deletion. It's also a good idea not to copy or share your key in plain text anywhere public. Treat it like a password. When you're ready to delete, look for the trash can icon next to the key you want to remove. This icon is the delete control. Click it to delete the key. If Perplexity shows a confirmation prompt, review the details and confirm to proceed. Once you confirm, the key will be revoked and will no longer work. That's it for the removal process. If you don't see the API section, double-check that you're logged into the correct Perplexity account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. If you recently purchased credits and still don't see a key, give the page a quick refresh. On mobile, the account area may be tucked behind a menu icon. Open it first, then navigate to the API section. To recap, open your Perplexity account, go to Account, open the API key section, and use the trash can icon to delete the key you no longer need. Take a moment afterward to update any apps that depended on it, and you'll be all set.